How to print a document from Google Docs. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a printer either through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. If your printer supports wireless printing, it should be connected to the same network as your device. Next, open the document you want to print. Once it's open, tap the three dots menu in the top right corner of the screen to open more options. From the menu, select Share and Export, then tap on Print. This will open the print preview screen where you can see how your document will look once printed. Here, you can choose your printer by tapping on the drop-down menu at the top. Select a printer that you want to use from the list of available devices. You can also adjust print settings like the number of copies, paper size, color options, and orientation by tapping on the settings icon or print options. After reviewing the settings and preview, tap the print button to start printing your document. And that's it. Now you know how to print a document from Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.